Spaghetti bolognese is, I believe, how it's
Bolognese.
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 We are in pork sausage spaghetti.
Sauces?
Where?
Yeah.
Say spaghetti.
We're having pork sausage spaghetti bolognese.
Colt, what's been your favorite part about using HelloFresh?
I've said that the odd ingredients that you may not need the whole like container of, like at the grocery store, they just give you a little morsel of it for this recipe. Radishes. There was a radish slaw thing, and I didn't have to buy a whole bag, I guess.
My favorite part has definitely been just switching up our normal routine meals. We get in definite food ruts, don't we?
Yes.
Since we've been eating HelloFresh for the past couple months, we've gotten a few new staples that we've actually made several times. So one of our very favorites, which we got again this week, are the beef tostadas. The crunch of the tostada, like the tortilla, is so delicious. I told Holt I never want to do a regular taco night ever again. I think the novelty of it has been really fun for us. Just something kind of to look forward to and be excited about, since we've been stuck at home cooking so much. So
There's only so much to live for.
Yeah. When you can get excited about cooking at home, that's a big perk.
A rare treat for 6 years into a marriage.
Yeah. So while we are cooking tonight, I asked my sister to come over so she can watch the kids, because it just makes it kind of like a date, honestly, when Holt and I can just be together and cook the meals without kids at your feet. So we'll go check on them and see what they're doing.